Welcome to Lowe's. We are flower shopping, something that we always love to do when Brian's parents come into town because Brian's mom loves to do our yard. So we let her. Why not, right? So we were just looking for flowers. So pretty. Look at these. Aren't they beautiful? I'd love to have all of these calla lilies. These. Alrighty guys, so hey, I left my in-laws and Brian at Lowe's. They're gonna be picking out flowers because my mother has a better eye at that stuff than I do. I'm more like interior, where she's interior as well, but she's also exterior as well. So she has a really good eye for flowers and gardening and all that good stuff. So that's what she's gonna do with Brian and Keith. And I am running into Hobby Lobby really quick to pick up some more of those yellow stemmed flowers that I can put on the other side of my china cabinet because I really think that it would just add so much more to that area, and because it's kind of all matches on both sides, I just really would like to have some flowers on the other side. I already have one of those galvanized tins, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that one down that I have in the kitchen that I've been using for my cotton, and then I have another one that I'll just put up there to fill in the cotton. So I'm gonna go into Hobby Lobby really quick and get those flowers. Alright guys, so I am back from Kroger. That was a nightmare. But anyway, I just wanted to show you a few of the things that I picked up. I just got about $70 worth of groceries today. Basically just something for us to make for dinner tonight, and that's what I'm doing. We're gonna have hot dogs and hamburgers on the grill. I'm gonna make some corn on the cob, asparagus. We're just gonna have like the fixins for dinner tonight, which is gonna be so nice. It's a beautiful day outside. We're gonna be working in the yard the rest of the day, and it's just gonna be so nice to have like a nice burger on the grill. So I went ahead and got some hot dog buns and hamburger buns right here. I got some Tabasco because we were out. This is Brian's caramel macchiato. This is his what is this stuff called? Creamer that he puts in his coffee, sorry. I've got some marshmallows because we're going to make some Rice Krispie treats later as well. And here are the hamburgers, the hot dogs, some tomatoes. I got my caramel wafers. I picked up 3 of these because that's all they had left. I've already opened one. Chris and I have been eating them. I got some bacon. I got some onions. They had the Kellogg cereal, 99 cents today, so I picked up 2 of the Frosted Flakes and then Rice Krispies for the Rice Krispie treats. Onions, corn, Tostitos scoops, and some wavy lays. Got some asparagus and some brats, just in case somebody might want a brat. And that is it. So I'm excited to have hamburgers and hot dogs on the grill tonight. So I ended up getting more yellow flowers for this side of my china cabinet. Now they're on both sides. You can kind of see them peeking over there. So now they're on both sides, which is really, really nice. And then when we were at Lowe's, I picked up some of these River Rock, and I added them to my little jars. So I think it looks really, really cute. And then I added just like a filler of green in the center there. So that kind of like completes this little area, which is really nice. And I love the pop of yellow. Super cute. I love the way it looks with the gingham. I love the way it looks with the purple. It is very, very fresh, and I love it. So now I have to get some outdoor clothes on so I can go outside and help them work outside. I'm gonna take my 2 chairs that are in here and I'm gonna finish spray painting them. I love the way that it looks in here so far, but this again is the before of the chairs, before. After. I still have to repaint this, so I'm taking this one outside as well. So, but anyway, I kind of changed my table up here. I like the way that it looks. So now I have to go work outside. You guys wanted to know what kind of spray paint that I was using for my chairs. I am using this Valspar Perfect Paint and Primer flat for wood, metal, wicker, and more. I think it's like $4 a can at Lowe's, so $3.99. Not too bad. It goes on really nicely. So these are all the flowers that we got. So pretty. Very nice. She's up there working in the flower bed. Very pretty. And then I'm going to go down here and show you guys this pot down here on the mailbox. We got this little climber yesterday for our clematis, which is going to look really pretty once the clematis starts growing all over it. And then they filled this pot up today. So this looks really nice. Party. Oh, hey. What you doing? Oh, how he just put it here and like didn't put it in a certain way. Oh, it looks nice. And now I just hope nobody comes along and brings me down. Because that pot we've had since we lived in. And then we got this hanging basket here, which is so pretty. It's got like geraniums in here, and I don't know what that's called, but I'm sure my mother-in-law does. So we got a pretty little hanging basket here, and we got more of these little flowers, cushion flowers, I think they're called. Got more of those. So I finished painting both of the chairs, and I think they absolutely look fabulous. They turned out so good. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna try to find different cushions and put a different cushion in there. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna try to put there, but I'm gonna try to find something a little different. Maybe an ivory one, something, but I like the way that they turned out. So nice. It just looks so pretty in here and so bright, you know? Woo! Hello guys. So Brian and his parents left to go to another flower shop that's in the next town over, and I decided to stay here because I'm gonna go ahead and get some dinner started. Well, I'm just gonna kind of get everything prepared. I'm gonna cut the onion, tomato, pull out the lettuce, and make it just like really pretty so everybody can just kind of grab and go. And I'm gonna prepare the hot dogs and hamburgers and just put them on a plate. That way all I'll have to do when it comes to grilling is just throw them on the grill, and then we are good to go. Boiling the corn is another big thing that I gotta do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that stuff prepared. It's been such a great day, and my mother-in-law absolutely just loves to garden, and because they've had such crappy weather up there in Chicago, she hasn't been able to get outside and do any of that stuff. So here she's like, woo, this is great. So she's in her element here with this weather. So, and it's so pretty outside right now and so warm. I've been sitting outside supervising, you know, supervising them and telling them where to put stuff. No, I'm just joking. She knows exactly where to put everything. She does a really good job. But I have been sitting outside and I did spray paint my chairs, and Brian finished spray painting my table, which is outside drying. And it's supposed to rain though, like tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's supposed to rain. So they're trying to get as many things planted right now as they can because of the rain. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff started for dinner tonight, and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. So I cut up some tomatoes, some onions, and I just put some lettuce here on this tray, and I'm gonna put some tin foil over it and place it in the refrigerator until we're ready to eat. So I wrapped up the asparagus that I'm gonna throw on the grill, so I put that in here with some salt and pepper and a little bit of virgin olive oil, and then here is our 4 cobs of corn that I'm also going to put on the grill. So we are ready to go with our food. Just going to wait for the family to get back. She got more flowers to fill this pot, and they got a bunch of more flowers back here. They got some black-eyed Susans and some coneflowers, and I can't remember what that thing's called, but anyway, they got some of those. I'm disturbing the birds back here, but there goes 2 doves that flew off. But we also got some new, like a bird feeder right there, the yellow one, and then they hung up another one really high. So we can have some finches and some other birdies. So that's really nice. All right guys, so we finished dinner. I kind of just walked around the yard for a little bit. Brian's mom is planting some more flowers, and it is almost 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't, and also hop on over to my Adventures in Wonderland page and watch my Disney videos. Those are up for the next couple of days.